Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. My name's Vicky and you've probably noticed that I'm wearing my sports gear. So today what I thought is I would use this bad boy, which is a weighted hula hoop, and I would show you just a few simple things of how to use it. So there's quite a few benefits with hula hooping. The first one is fat burn. Now because you're doing some exercise, you're going to lose some calories as well. You're going to burn those off. Hula hooping also relaxes the mind, so when you are hula hooping it's quite relaxing. It does help your hand and your eye coordination, because of course you're doing two different things at once. You're trying to keep the hula hoop up and then you're trying to move as well. It strengthens up your back but also your core. So what you'll find is that while you're hula hooping, your core will increase, you'll be losing probably belly fat as well, and it'll improve all of your balance as well. So what we'll do is I'll stand up and show you how to stand, and then we'll get this hula hoop going and show you how to do it. So let's go. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to have the hula hoop on your back to start off with. You want your hands fairly close to your body. You don't want them down here, you want them up here. So then what you'll do is you'll be able to do a proper swing of the hula hoop. So the hula hoop needs to be straight at all times. So this is straight for me. And the way you stand, you can either stand with a foot forward, it doesn't matter which foot, whichever foot you feel comfortable with. So a foot forward, and then you're going to make a rocking motion. So a sideways motion, you're just going to move your body backwards and forwards. So when you do it, you're just going to move forwards and backwards, and then in front you're just going to go forwards and backwards. Now if you want to stand a different way, you can always stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, and with this you can always go side to side, or you can go forwards to backwards and make it into a bit of a rocking motion. And your hoop should stay up. So hoops come in different weights. So what I'll do is I will put in the description this hula hoop, and then you'll be able to see it on Amazon for you, and you can buy it on there. So I'll put a link to that on the description. Waist, and then we're going to go to the hips. So you can just see how that's moved around. Just going to speed it up now. So how you speed it up is just by going faster and faster and faster. So I tend to have it up at my waist. You can always try a balance. Put it up like this. Okay. So you can always see how good you are and maybe lift a leg up and see how you get on. The more you do it, the more you will improve. See, if it nearly slipped there, just give it a big more shake and you'll get it back. Shake your booty, shake your booty, shake, shake, shake. I hope you have fun with this. You can do a little challenge where you can try and do this for 2 weeks, and you'll notice a big difference with your core muscles, your stomach muscles as well. And you'll find that if you're doing this for maybe half an hour a day, or if you're just starting out, even just 10 minutes a day, if you've never done it before, then you'll notice a big difference. You can do this while watching television, you can go outside, you can watch the kids do it. Woo. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a little turn. So keep that momentum going as you turn as well. See, we can do this. Woo. Shake your booty, shake your booty. So I think that is enough from me. So I hope you guys have enjoyed just a small little snippet of beginner hula hooping. If you liked the video, give it a nice big thumbs up and subscribe below. And if you do try it out for 2 weeks, let me know how you get on. and if you do lose any inches or you feel a big difference with your core as well. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!